Hello everyone! Welcome back to another Loyal and Save training. Today we'll be going over the loyalty settings. To get started, after you've logged on to the control center, we're going to click on Settings and then Loyalty. The next tab will be the Global Blacklist. The Global Blacklist utility is a way of excluding all items that do not qualify for earning tokens. Items that are illegal or not allowed may be entered, such as examples as lottery and alcohol. To create a Global Blacklist list, click on the Add Blacklist Type button. From here, you will see a selection of items that are available to you: departments, department groups, manufacturers, brands, tags, and categories. For this demonstration, we're going to click on Departments. After the type has been selected, click on the Manage button to add the items to the blacklist. From here, you will select the items that you would like to include in this blacklist. At the very top to the Manage filters, you can also search for a product as well. So let's go ahead and select a few items. To select the items, just click on the box next to each item. Click on the green button in the center. This will carry over the items to the selected list, and then click on Apply. If you would like to add departments to the blacklist, you would click on Manage. Select your departments from the results list. Click on the green arrow, and then click on Apply. Once you have completed your selections, click on the Save button to save your changes.